How to cancel Facebook gaming subscription. So first of all, open your Facebook account. After you open your Facebook account, simply tap on the hamburger menu over here. Then scroll it down and tap on the setting and privacy drop down menu. Now tap here and a list of menu will appear. Now here you need to pay. Click on orders and payments. Now here you'll see all of your active transaction. It could be gaming subscription or fan subscription, all will be available over here. If you want to add your payment methods, then you can simply tap on manage and manage from over here. But if you want to cancel your gaming subscription, it would be available over here. If you have subscribed to any gaming subscription channels, then what you can do is you will have all the details related to that subscription, like the time period and how much you have subscribed, and if you're eligible you can easily unsubscribe or that from here. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then please like and subscribe to the channel.